Welcome to my channel. In today's video, we're going to be making a yummy chicken and spinach Alfredo. So stay tuned and enjoy the video. Hello to everyone. My name is Mona. If you're new to the channel, welcome. And if you are a subscriber, welcome back. I'm very excited to be back and making content for you guys. And in today's video, I'm starting out by chopping up some onions, some fresh garlic, and some parsley. Once I was done with all of my prep work, it was time to cook my chicken. So I heated up some olive oil in a pan and I started seasoning my chicken. Now I'm going to season this chicken on both sides with some salt, pepper, and garlic powder. Once the oil was nice and hot, I added the chicken and cooked it for about 5 to 8 minutes on both sides. Now the cooking times will vary depending on the thickness of the chicken. While the chicken was cooking, I decided to move on and prepare my sides. Now I had some romaine lettuce that I needed to use up. For tonight's dinner, I decided to make a nice Caesar salad. So here I am just chopping up the lettuce, and then I'm going to be adding in some Parmesan cheese and croutons. On this night, I didn't have any Caesar dressing, so I decided to make my own. And here I'm using mayo, Dijon mustard, Worcestershire sauce, fresh lemon juice, pepper, Parmesan cheese, and I was supposed to add fresh garlic, but I forgot, but the dressing was still delicious. Next, I added water until I reached my desired consistency, drizzled my salad, gave it a good toss, and it was ready to go. If you are enjoying this content so far, please consider hitting that subscribe button. And as always, all recipes will be included down in the description box. At this point, my chicken was nice and done, so I removed it from the pan and chopped it into small chunks. Next, it was time to get started on the Alfredo sauce. So I melted 2 tablespoons of butter on medium heat. Once the butter was all nice and melted, I added in the onions and cooked those until they became translucent. Once the onions were nice and done, I added in my fresh garlic and I cooked it for a few minutes until it became fragrant. Next, I added in some white cooking wine and allowed it to cook until it reduced. Next, it was time to add in the heavy whipping cream. I stirred it really well until it was nice and mixed in with the butter sauce, and then I brought it to a slow simmer. While the sauce was coming to a simmer, I took a moment to get the pasta started. Next up, it was time to complete the sauce. And here I'm adding Parmesan cheese, as well as some salt and pepper to taste. You can always add a thickening agent such as flour or cornstarch if you like a thicker sauce. However, I like my sauce to be a bit on the thin side because I find that it thickens as it cools, so normally I would just add additional Parmesan cheese as a thickening agent, as you can see here. I simmered the sauce for about 5 to 10 minutes, and then I added the spinach. Next, I added the pasta and made sure everything was mixed really well. I added in my chopped chicken, and I topped everything off with some fresh parsley. And here is a shot of what dinner looked like tonight. I just toasted up some frozen garlic bread. And this is how the pasta turned out. As you can see, the sauce is nice and thick. And this dish was so delicious and yummy. We really enjoyed it. I hope you guys enjoyed watching this video. Don't forget to subscribe and like and comment. And I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.